Hi, it's Toby with the mortgage firm. Let's talk today about buy versus renting. And if you are currently renting your home, been renting for a long time and just been sitting on the fence about buying a home, let's talk about some of the potential obstacles that you perceive to be in the way. First of all would be that right now I'm recording this in August of 2021 and the market's a little crazy. It's just been hugely a seller's market lately. Do we have a crystal ball about what's going to happen? No. You can ask just as many people if they think this is going to be what we call the bubble and prices are going to go down, or the other potential there is better buy it now before they still keep going up. Nobody has that crystal ball. What I do know for a fact, after being in this business for 35 years and being a real estate investor prior to that time, is buying a home for yourself and your family is, honestly, in my opinion, one of the best things you can do. Did you know that the statistics, if you have children at home, do you know the statistics of children being raised in an owned home versus a rental home are impressive? It's just a different mindset. And to be owning the home, chances are those children also grow up with better responsibility, higher responsibility. I shouldn't say better, but a higher responsibility level. Let's move off of that advantage and let's go on to down payments. I speak with a lot of people that tell me they want to wait until they have 20% down because otherwise they don't have to pay mortgage insurance. Well, mortgage insurance is hardly a ripoff. You can believe how many people tell me what a ripoff mortgage insurance is. Mortgage insurance allows a buyer to buy a home from anywhere from 3% down payment going up from that. And the other option is, if you're going to wait until you save 20%, well, how much is that home going to cost by the time you save 20%, or what's the interest rate going to be? Who knows, right? We don't know. But mortgage insurance, depending on the type of loan that the borrower has, mortgage insurance is not expensive. I ran a loan last week that was going to be 5% down. There were two people on the loan, so typically two borrowers gets a little bit better rate than one, than a single only borrower on a loan. But I think it was $34 a month for the one that I ran earlier. I mean, is $34 a month worth not buying a home, planning to put down 20% as opposed to just maybe 3 or 5% or 10 or 15%? Is that really worth not purchasing a home over? The other thing is that, again, who knows where prices are going to be? They could be going up. They could be going down. It's just like buying a stock. And locking in an interest rate. Basically, it's when you buy that determines what that current market value is going to be. If you have been on the fence, or you've got a good friend that's been on the fence, or a sister, brother, mother, aunt, work buddy that's been on the fence and making all these reasons why they're not buying a home right now, really and truly, are you more intimidated by the mortgage process? I find that's the case frequently as well. It's not that bad, and I would love to speak with you or your mother, brother, sister, aunt, work buddy, just to go over the options. Not to sell it, but just to go over the options so that you understand what your options are. And so many times they are so much better than somebody's got in their mind, thinking about it. I hope you're having a really super great day. And call me, text me, email me if you or your mother, brother, sister, aunt, work buddy are even thinking about purchasing a home. I sure would be the one that would love to help you into the home ownership process. Bye.